How to remove the tag from all posts on Facebook. First, you want to go to menu section at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap on this gear icon at the top right of your screen. And you want to scroll down till the bottom and choose Activity Log. Right here, you want to choose your Facebook activity and scroll down. Then you want to click on Manage Tags. Right here, you want to choose Filters and select Categories. Then you want to choose Posts and Comments your tag in, as you are only delete the post, not the photo. From here, if you have like so many posts that you are tagged in, you want to scroll down until the bottom and you want to find this sign, and this sign means it's the first time someone mentioned you in a post. After that, you want to scroll back and tap on all. It is to make sure that all of your posts that tag you is removed. The one that removed is the mention, not the post. The one that can remove the post is only the creature itself. After click all, then you wanna click remove text and choose remove. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.